I was in the business world, the corporate side, for about 12 years. Got kind of sick of working for other people and wanted to be my own boss.
Before that, I ran large-scale retail operations. Those skills really helped me build the ability to work with people and to also manage processes.
Everybody has gone through it going, man, am I doing the right thing? Like, I'm about to quit my job, about to kind of venture out on my own and, start a business. So you got families, you got expenses, and it's nerve-wracking.
So GarageExperts did a great job training me when we started out. We had a week of training in-house and the support to start the business turnkey once I left training. I've done well over 1,000 installations myself. I went all in the first year, immersed myself in the business, and it paid off well. My initial goals for the first year of business was to do around the 35,000 mark when I started in the first quarter, and then end the year with 65,000 a month, and I was able to hit those goals. We've kept consistently growing sales over the last 3 years, every single month. Obviously leaving a professional career, it's a little tough sometimes to understand you can make it in a new business.
And so, yeah, I was really nervous about, would I lose my initial investment? Would I be able to make money? So those are some of the initial fears that I had. When I started though, I made the decision to go all in. I've talked to some potential owners before and they're like, hey, do I keep my job while I do this? I'm like, no, you just got to make it happen.
Some of the biggest challenges I've had has been properly growing the business and making sure I have the right people in place to do the work. My business coach helps me with looking at numbers on a monthly basis, making sure my metrics are lining up with the metrics of the other franchises to make sure I'm successful. And have a good foundation of marketing that keeps the leads going in the business and allows me to keep the jobs steady for the employees. I use a combination of digital, print, social media, localized marketing, such as schools and so forth, to create that correct mix. And as I grow that marketing, I can then grow the equipment that we have and also take the time and grow the right team for the job to make sure we give the customers a great experience. The best thing about being in a franchise is you have someone to help you through trouble. You have a much more organized marketing structure. You have resources you would not have as a single point business. And it's proven that franchises are about 300% more successful than other businesses. If I could do it all over again, I would be a GarageExperts franchise. It's been a very successful business for me, and I'm very happy with what's happened in the organization. And also watching the growth of the organization over the last few years has been awesome. Grow your business steady and slow. Don't try to do too much at once. Let it grow organically, and you'll have a successful business.